Good morning and welcome to another live trading session by your boy Prodigy, as well as a daily vlog videos just show you guys what I do throughout the day as a part-time trader, still working on becoming a full-time millionaire soon. Currently trading some stocks. So I entered some Amazon puts here from last night's trading plan on the double top, as well as there's also a head and shoulders here. So I entered at 188 for only $58. So we're just gonna test it out. We're up 45% on these Amazon puts already. I should have bought more, but they're going crazy. Giving out the fire ass breakdowns in the Discord. Gonna take calls on Nvidia above the break of this trend. Currently another hour later, still have not taken another trade, just did some workouts and cleaning. But now, about to just head to work. So I did manage to take one last trade before I left. I literally called it out in the Discord, literally giving them the play by each 5-minute candle, saying, need Google to close below EMAs for a quick in and out. And we literally got the close. Literally, I even said hard close below EMAs with a retest coming. Retest came. Entered puts, easy 15%, guys. We're literally up and we're still in it. This was the trade idea. So literally, yes, we have a nice higher high, higher lows. We were squeezing there, and then we started creating lower highs, lower lows, and now we're creating that downtrend. So we're dropping, honestly. We're about to drop hard. Nice, beautiful day. It's fun driving this little slow-ass car. It's fun. I don't care. I know it's a little Honda, but it's fun. Let's go. Another seat to be taken out. Just coming here to drop off a key. No work here. Yo, one day, this is gonna be the lineup right here. Maserati, Ferrari. Oh shoot. Almost just ate shit. Gotta use my time wisely and pre-chart in the van. Just got back. We got off a little bit late today, but hey, that's totally fine. We just ate our lunch right now, as well as we also pre-charted in the van. Need to get straight to working on the videos, maybe even gym. So yesterday we said we was majorly bearish. We thought the stock market was practically going to crash altogether as a whole. But unfortunately, the only stocks that we actually were able to catch with some shorts were Amazon. We mentioned the double top on Amazon yesterday, and we did catch some shorts. I entered it just because of that reason. In the morning, it pumped up to do 200 SMA, and then it rejected from that area, just around that area. I didn't even wait for it to actually specifically touch that 200 SMA level. I just waited for us to get in that general area, and I entered some puts. And honestly, it ended up paying me a good amount of money, 40% on some Amazon puts. We saw 55% and tried to shoot for even higher, tried to shoot for 100%, but the market just didn't give that. We saw a nice hammer candle, which is really important, guys, why you need to understand your candles, because it easily reversed just based off of that single candle alone. Now, we did mention that SPY was going to crash tomorrow, but when you look at SPY, which I'm most likely going to pop it up here for you guys, it did nothing but that. So SPY literally did not come down at all. It actually pumped all morning, dipped down a tad bit just to retest halfway through what it pumped, and then it ended up pumping up even some more again. So we were wrong on SPY, and I would like to say that we were right on Amazon, because actually Amazon gapped down. It opened lower than it closed at yesterday, so it was a gap down based off that double top, and we managed to take puts 40% on those bad boys. And that's the update for what we saw yesterday, and ended up trading that, what we tried to catch yesterday and today. So we traded what we talked about yesterday, and let's try to do the same thing again today. We're going to talk about a plan, and we're going to try to trade it again tomorrow to show you guys I love to put my money where my mouth is. That's what I like to do. I like to put my money where my mouth is, and you'll see that a lot if you join my Discord. Because in my Discord, I literally say I'm going to take calls above the specific level no matter what. If it closes above it, I'm just going to do it. And then literally, it's very funny because at times when it literally has a single close above it, a very small, whether it's even 1 to 2 cents above, I hop in and I just say, well, I guess I got to do it. I got to put my money where my mouth is. And guess what? It pays every time. Today, for an example, I said I'm going to put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to take puts on Tesla if we break below the 9 EMA. And we got to close below the 9 EMA, and we saw a nice 10%, but unfortunately, we just ended up swinging it since we didn't close it, and we'll let you guys know how tomorrow goes. So we actually are swinging Tesla. It is not a It is not a good setup, but it's also not the worst setup. It is bull flagging, but overall, I do think that we can continue on down for tomorrow. So it looks like we have light news tomorrow. We have pre-market news, which is jobless claims at 5 a.m. And then we have a Fed speaker at 11 a.m., which unfortunately we had Fed speakers all day today. And they honestly did mess with the market by making it chopped up, indecisive, big pumps and dumps. So hopefully tomorrow they don't do that by 11 a.m. But anyways, that's the only news we have. As well as we have a word of the day, which is hold till price target. Because to be honest, guys, as of lately, I do end up taking nice 40-50% gains on specific trades. But to be honest, I do leave a lot of money on the table because the trades that I do take, like on NVIDIA or even other stocks, like maybe even SPY or Meta or Google or Tesla, those tend to actually run a lot further than 40%, than 50%. So honestly, I need to start setting price targets and just letting them hit price targets first. So that's what the word of the day is. And honestly, it's word of the week because I need to start doing word of the week, not just word of the day, because word of the day, they cannot last just one day. I need to actually implement them for the whole week and drill it in my head like a habit, maybe even for longer than that. And so I really start learning and letting you guys know that it's been working until we get onto a new habit. So